Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make melt-in-your-mouth Asian beef short ribs. And it's super easy. Let's get right into it. Here's what you'll need. 2 pounds of beef short ribs, half a cup of soy sauce, a quarter cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, grated, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 cup of beef broth, and green onions and sesame seeds for garnish. First, pat your short ribs dry with a paper towel. Season them lightly with salt and pepper. Get a pan hot with a little oil. We're going to sear these ribs for about 2 minutes on each side. You want that nice golden crust. While the ribs are searing, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine your soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and beef broth. Give it a good mix. Now lay your ribs into a slow cooker or a heavy pot. Pour that beautiful sauce all over them. Cover it up and cook low and slow. If you're using a slow cooker, it's about 6 to 7 hours on low. In the oven, about 3 hours at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After that time, your ribs are fall apart, tender, and packed with flavor. Finish them with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and chopped green onions. Serve over rice and you've got a showstopper meal. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you love easy, delicious recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.